Alright guys, it's March 17th, 2014, and yet another snowstorm has hit the area. We measured we had 7.5 inches here in Mays Landing, New Jersey, which brings our seasonal total to 48.5 inches. And the snow's still coming down as of 12 p.m. 7.5 inches here, 10 inches in Cape May, 9 inches in Louise, Delaware, 8 inches in Dover, Delaware. This is our second snowiest winter ever in Mays Landing, New Jersey. Fishing's going to be put back even more. I still have not caught my first bass this year yet. Water temperatures are in the lower 40s right now, and this snow just does not help. Water temperatures are going to remain cold until it warms up here, and that's not going to happen for a while. We're going to have a couple days of warmth coming, 50s and 60s for 3 days the end of this week, but then it gets cold again next week. A record-breaking winter. I've never seen it get this cold in winter and this much snow in March. It's my snow pile right there. See how long that lasts. But again, we continue to get pounded with snowstorms. Snowstorm after snowstorm after snowstorm. And it is still snowing. Philadelphia got 4.5 inches. West Virginia mountains got up to a foot, even 15 inches in some spots. But striper season has already begun. My friend's caught a couple striper. He caught a 10-pounder last week when the river temp was in the upper 30s. So the stripers are running even though the water temperature is really cold. But everything, the spawn's going to be pushed back later into the year because the ocean water temp is 39 degrees, river temp is 39 degrees. It's just ridiculous. Even the bass spawn's going to be put back. And this is rare. I put up my birdhouses. I put up 3 birdhouses for spring. And usually the birds will start. I've already had birds checking out these birdhouses, and there's snow on top of them, so they won't be mating for a while. March 17th, 2014. Unrelenting winter.